Hi students, welcome. Today see about the 12th standard chemistry 11th lesson hydroxy compounds and ethers. Topic IUPAC nomenclature. Students last class discussed the classification of alcohols. So its continuation today we discuss IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC nomenclature. Students, you are already learnt naming the organic compound according to IUPAC guidelines in the 11th standard classes. Now recall the basic rules to name the alcohol. Basic rules to name the alcohols. So first one rule, select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing functional group, generally hydroxyl functional group. So longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing hydroxyl functional group. Then second one rule, number the carbon atoms in the chain. So carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group as lowest possible number. Carbon atom bearing the OH group as the lowest possible number. Then third one rule, name the substituent. Suppose any substituents are present, name the substituents. So these three rules are followed. The naming organic compound. So now write the name of alcohol as below. So first one prefix, then root word, then primary suffix, last one secondary suffix. So secondary suffix mention the type of functional group. Suppose hydroxyl functional group, add hol, secondary suffix. First one prefix, prefix is the substituent. Suppose any substituents are present, mention the substituent name in prefix. Then second one root word. So root word is the longest chain. So main carbon backbone chains are named the root word. Then next one primary suffix. Primary suffix, the given compound, the organic compound is saturated or unsaturated. So compounds containing only single bond, add ANE. N. Suppose compounds containing double bond, add ENE. Suppose a triple bond, add YNE. Okay, so the IUPAC guidelines are discussed one by one, and then the formula for naming organic compound. So four group. So four parts. First one prefix, second one root word, third one primary suffix, fourth one secondary suffix. So prefix is the substituent. First enter the substituent name, then next the carbon backbone chain, next one presence of single bond or double bond or triple bond, so saturation or unsaturation. Then next one, name the functional group. Okay students, so now name the alcohols. So functional group all, OL is the secondary suffix. Okay students, once again recall, prefix is the substituent name. First enter the substituent name, then second one the root word, longest carbon chain. Next name primary suffix. Primary suffix means the compound is saturation or unsaturation. Then next to last one secondary suffix. Last name the functional group. So the IUPAC name contains four parts. So first one substituent. Second one, first name the substituent. Second one longest carbon chain. Third saturation or unsaturation. Fourth one functional group. Lastly name the functional group. right. Students, so now name the given organic compound. So common name of the compound is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Now name the given organic compound. Students, in this given compound no substituent. Then next one, identify the longest chain. So this part is the carbon chain. Now number the carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. So numbering the carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group as the lowest possible number. So the functional group, hydroxyl functional group, attach the second carbon, attach it to second carbon. So now name the given organic compound. So root word 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbon, root word name prof. Suppose single carbon meth, double carbon eth, triple carbon prof, 4 carbon but, 5 carbon pent, 6 carbon hex, 7 carbon hept. Okay students, so root word is prof. Then the compound is saturation, only single bond. Compound contain only single bond, there is no double bond, triple bond. So add ANE. ANE is the primary suffix. Then secondary suffix is functional group all, OL. So the name of the given compound is, IUPAC name of the given compound is propane to all. Okay students, so common name of the compound is isopropyl alcohol. So IUPAC name of the given compound is propane to all. So prop is the root word, then ANE is the primary suffix, saturated hydrocarbon. So E silent. Then next one, secondary suffix is the functional group. So functional group attached to second carbon, so to all. So IUPAC name of the given compound is propane to all. Then next one compound. So next one compound, tertiary butyl alcohol. Structural formula of the tertiary butyl alcohol is CH3 thrice COH. So 3CH3 COH is the tertiary butyl alcohol. Now name the IUPAC name. Try to name the given compound, IUPAC name of the given compound. Students, first one, identify the any substituent present. Then second one, carbon, longest carbon backbone chain. So carbon backbone chain. So students, this area is the carbon chain. Now number the carbon atom. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon. Then one methyl group is the substituent. So substituent at second carbon. Then functional group attached to second carbon. So substituent is methyl, position number 2. So prefix is 2-methyl. Then root word 3 carbon prof, 2 methyl prof. Then the compound is saturated hydrocarbon, so mainly compound made up of single bond. Add ANE, 2 methyl propane. Then functional group is alcohol hydroxy functional group attached to second carbon. So IUPAC name of the given compound, substituent second carbon, second position. So 2 methyl propane 2 all is the IUPAC name of the given compound. So prefix is the prefix with the position number. So prefix is the methyl group at a second position. The next one, root word 3 carbon chain, so prof, 3 carbon chain prof. The next one, primary suffix, so the compound made up of only single bond, no triple bond and double bond. So add ANE, E is the silent. Then functional group, secondary suffix is the functional group. So functional group at a position 2, second carbon, so 2 all. So IUPAC name of the given compound is 2 methyl propane 2 all, E silent. So IUPAC name of the given compound is 2 methyl propane 2 all is the IUPAC name of the given compound. So common name of the given compound is tertiary butyl alcohol. IUPAC name of the given compound 2 methyl propane 2 all. Then next one compound, common name of the compound is neopentyl alcohol. So structural formula for neopentyl alcohol is shown below. Now try to name the given organic compound. First identify the chain, longest chain. So longest chain. So students, this is the carbon chain. So number the carbon atom. So carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group as the lowest possible number. So lowest one is taken as correct. So first carbon number 1, second carbon, third carbon, then second carbon 2 substituent number 1 methyl group, then another 1 methyl group. So second position 2 methyl group. So prefix 2,2 dimethyl, then functional group attached to first carbon. So secondary suffix 1 all, then substituent 2,2 dimethyl, secondary suffix functional group 2 all, then root word 3 carbon system prof. Then compound contain only single bond, saturated hydrocarbon. So add ANE is the primary suffix. So IUPAC name of the given compound is substituent is the 2 methyl group. So position number 2, so 2,2 dimethyl is the substituent, 2 substituent. Then next one, root word 3 carbon system, so prof. Then primary suffix saturated hydrocarbon, so add ANE, E is the silent. Then next one, secondary suffix functional group attached to first carbon, so 1 all. So IUPAC name of the given compound is 2,2 dimethyl propane 1 all, 2,2 dimethyl propane 1 all is the IUPAC name of the neopentyl alcohol. So neopentyl alcohol is the common name. IUPAC name of the neopentyl alcohol is 2,2 dimethyl propane 1-all. Then next one example, compound name, common name isobutyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. Structural formula for isobutyl alcohol is shown below. Now try to name the given organic compound. First, identify the longest carbon backbone chain. So this is the chain. So longest carbon chain with functional group. So this is the longest chain of carbon atom with functional group. Then number the carbon atoms. So the carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl functional group as the lowest possible number. So lowest one, 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbon system, root word prof. Second carbon, one substituent is present. So 2-methyl substituent, 2-methyl, root word prof, saturated hydrocarbon. So add ANE, E silent, then functional group, hydroxyl functional group at a first carbon. So IUPAC name of the given compound is 2-methyl propane 1-all is the IUPAC name of the given compound. So substituent is 2-methyl. So second position, one methyl group is present. Then root word is prof. Primary suffix is saturated hydrocarbon, E silent, add ANE, E silent. Then secondary suffix is functional group attached to first carbon. So secondary suffix is 1-all. So IUPAC name of the given compound is 2-methyl propane 1-all. 2-methyl propane 1-all. So common name for this given compound is isobutyl alcohol. So IUPAC name of the isobutyl alcohol is 2-methyl propane 1-all. Thank you students. See you next class.